Understanding what sludge and scum in your septic tank are is key to keeping your system running smooth and avoiding messy, costly problems. So, sludge is basically the solid gunk that sinks to the bottom of your septic tank, like the heavy stuff that just piles up over time. Scum, on the other hand, is that lighter, oily layer that floats on top, made up of stuff like grease and soap. To keep your septic tank working right, you want to make sure you get it pumped out regularly, usually every 3 to 5 years depending on how much you use it. Avoid flushing anything besides toilet paper and human waste because things like wipes or feminine products can mess up the balance inside the tank and cause clogs. Using too much bleach or harsh chemicals can kill off the good bacteria that break down waste, so keep it natural with your cleaning products. Also, don't pour cooking oil or grease down the drain since they add to that scum layer and make it thicker. If you notice slow drains or bad smells around your yard, it's a sign your septic might be getting full or clogged with sludge and scum. Calling a pro for an inspection helps catch problems early before they turn into big headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks is waiting way too long between pump outs, which lets sludge build up and clog the system. Fix this by setting a reminder for regular maintenance every few years. Another common issue is flushing stuff that doesn't break down, which can create thick scum and sludge layers. Stick to basic toilet paper and waste only. Lastly, using harsh chemicals kills the bacteria that naturally digest waste in the tank, so switch to gentle, septic-safe cleaners to keep everything balanced and working like it should. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners needing trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and won't rip you off. It's also a great place for contractors to find real work and connect with people ready to fix up their homes without all the hassle.